Max built a cool house. I want the same.
For that, we need building materials.
Let's go sooner. Which boards do we need?
Leo, set up the back. Let's choose a building area.
That lawn is perfect. Quicker. Oi, oi, oi! I'm stuck.
I'll help. I'm stuck too.
Help! Help! Leo and Lifty are in trouble.
Don't come close. There's clay.
Really? Clay. Not working. There's only more dirt. Yes, I'm afraid it won't work without a cable. Hang on. Not working. Put slats under the wheels. I'll try again. Hooray! I'm free! Now, Lifty.
Hurrah! Thanks, Max.
Friends help friends all the time. You wanted to build a house? Let's clear the clay together. That's nearly everything. The area's ready. You can start building. Hurrah! Now you can have a housewarming party. Visiting friends is awesome.
Haha, yes. You'll stop by?
Sure. Guys, let's play soccer.
Yes!
Would you like to see more interesting videos? Choose one now. Maybe this, or this, or this one, or this? Choose quickly before they disappear.